In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. If you're looking to enhance your Canva designs with engaging video content, you've come to the right place. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, or anything in between, embedding a YouTube video can make your designs stand out and even add interactive elements that cater to more diverse audiences. So let's dive right in and learn how to do this in just a few simple steps. First up, you want to open the Canva design where you'd like the YouTube video to be added. Canva offers a plethora of design options, so whether you're starting from scratch or editing an existing project, embedding a video is a seamless process. At the top of your Canva interface, you'll notice a menu with several options. You want to look for the Embed option. This little feature is going to be your best friend in this process. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter a URL. Now, this is where your video source comes in handy. Go to YouTube and find the video you want to include in your design. Once you find it, simply copy the URL from the address bar. Switching back to Canva, you're going to paste this YouTube link into the text field that appears after clicking Embed. It's literally a matter of copying and pasting, which is simple enough. But here's a quick tip: make sure the URL is correct and complete to avoid any issues with the video not loading properly. With the link pasted, you're almost there. Canva will typically show a preview of your embedded video. This is your chance to ensure everything looks good before making it a permanent fixture in your design. Once you're satisfied, you'll want to finalize this process by clicking on Add to Design. Once you do this, the video will typically appear within your Canvas workspace, where you can adjust its size and placement just like any other design element. You decide how the video integrates into your design's overall look, offering flexibility and creativity, which are the hallmarks of what Canva stands for. Remember that playing around with positioning, scaling, and placement will help you craft a visually appealing design. Embedded videos can be a central feature or subtle addition, depending on your design goals. And there you have it, a YouTube video embedded flawlessly into your Canva project. This process can open up new possibilities for enhancing your visual content. Whether you're sharing your design digitally or preparing for a live presentation, the added multimedia can help captivate your audience's attention. That's a wrap on today's tutorial. Embed, customize, and create with your newfound Canva skills. Stay creative and happy designing.